Okay, all these lab sessions, okay, are to be carried with respect to the programming execution point of view. Okay, with respect to all these lab experiment, whatever is to be there, to be get executed by the use of the MATLAB, and another one with respect to the Python. Okay, what are the tools which are to be utilized? Then how we are going to make the execution, that we can discuss now. Okay, here the tools used for the execution of the program. Okay, whatever the list of experiments which are to be there in the syllabus, all those are to be get executed by the use of these following tools. Okay, one is MATLAB. Okay, this MATLAB is available with respect to the software point of view as well as the online point of view. Okay, we are proceeding with respect to the available online, the free tool. Okay, that is more than enough to make your execution of all the programs which are to be available. Then another with respect to the Python. Okay, this Python is also one of the software which are to be used for the execution of the programs. Okay, among that, the one tool we are using, the Google Colab. Okay, this Google Colab will help the execution of all the programs which are to be written by the use of the Python language. Then second thing is the Jupyter. Okay, Jupyter is a software. Okay, this software to be installed, then make your execution for the whatever the Python programs is ought to be available with respect to the particular laboratory point of view. Okay, these three tools are to be utilized for our execution point of view. One more is there, the IDLE. Okay, that tool also be utilized for the same execution of the program. Okay, which might not be have any differ with respect to the Python execution point of view. Okay, one with respect to the MATLAB. Okay, another with respect to the Python. These two tools we are going to make use of execution of the programs. Okay, now we can discuss how to use the Google Colab for the Python program execution. Okay, now we can discuss with respect to this. What is the first step? First step is that open any of the browser. Okay, you can make utilization of your mobile phone or else you can make use of your systems. Okay, if you have to open the browser. Okay, already I have, that is the browser, the Chrome. Okay, preferably use the Google Chrome itself for the execution of the program by the use of Google Colab. Okay, next, once you open your browser, okay, what you need to do? If you have the link with respect to the execution, that is Google Colab, that is what the google.co.in. Okay, this itself is what the other browser if you are using, then you have to open. Because I am using the Chrome itself, then obviously the Google search engine will be there. Okay, if you are using the other tools, okay, like the Google Edge, not the Microsoft Edge, then you have to use the first the Google search engine. Okay, that you have to use. Okay, then you have to open. Then it will be seems to be like this. Okay, that will be available with respect to the Chrome directly. Okay, so that preferably you can go for with respect to the Google Chrome itself. Okay, once you opened that Google search engine, what you need to do? You have to search for the Google Colab. Okay, the whatever the Colab it is there, you have to take. Then you have to type that the Google Colab. Okay, once you search that, then it will be available. The second one, that is the Google Colab. Okay, then what you need to do? You have to click on the Google Colab. That is, you have to choose the Google Colab. Once you have chosen that Google Colab, then it will be get opened. Okay, this window will be get there. Okay, then you have to click on the Open Colab. Okay, then it will ask the login. Okay, use your Gmail ID for your login point of view. Okay, already I have logged in, so that it will open with respect to my ID itself. Okay, this is how you need to make the open of the Google Colab. Once you did this, okay, go for new notebook. Okay, it will take a time. Then once you will open with respect to the new notebook itself. Okay, this is how you need to do with respect to the new tab. Okay, if it is not there, then what you need to do? They click on sign in, then use your Gmail account for your login, then go to notebook. Okay, then already I went to that new notebook, then I have to rename that. Okay, what I need to do? I need to make the discussion with respect to the practice of the code, that is the program codes. Practice. Today I am doing it, so that I have given this date. Okay, the practice. That is you have to rename just by clicking here. Okay, then you have to go for the execution of the any code which to be required for your execution and the learning point of view. Okay, this is how you need to do. Then what you need to do, once you did the renaming, then type the program and run to get the output. What you need to do, they type your program, then go for run to get your whatever the output is to be required for that particular code. Now taking one example. Okay, this example, what you need to do, here is there the code entering. Then I will enter. Okay, the code you have to type. Okay, hash will indicate it is a comment. Whatever hash I am there, okay, this will indicate it with respect to the comment of the program what you are going to execute. I have taken this as one example. Okay, so that example one, print is the statement, the whatever the output you need to get. That you have to type the content what it is to be get display with respect to the single quote. Welcome to Maths Lab. I have typed this one. Okay, then you have to go for run. Okay, here this itself is your run. Okay, this is your code what you need to require to get the output. Okay, this command will not be included in with respect to the execution of your program itself. Okay, once you did this, then click on this run command. It will be showing here run cell. Okay, or else you can use the control enter. I am clicking on it. Okay, this is how you need to execute with respect to the program. Okay, now I got the output. Can able to see here? Welcome to Maths Lab. Okay, this is the what the print command is to be used for the execution to display the particular text. Okay, now I will change into Python learning. Now I have changed. Okay, now again I will execute. Now I got output Python learning. Okay, whatever you are going to type in between this single quote, okay, then you are getting that output itself. This is how you need to execute the program which to be required by the use of the Google Colab for your Python program.